Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. We're going to take a look at Faraday Future Intelligent Electric FFIE. The last couple of days we've been discussing this stock and it finally seems to be breaking out very nicely out of this channel. We drew this a couple of days ago and now we can see it's breaking out of that. And also when you look at the 5 minutes, for example, we could see a nice uptick and even breaking the high of yesterday. So it finally looks like the stock is breaking out. Now, from that point on, where could it potentially go is the question now. We all know that the next stop is 200-day, which is exactly at 50 cents. It will also be the level where the options are going to be in the money. So that's a level to watch. When those calls at 50 cents will be in the money, that will mean that market makers will have to cover those shares and it can create a nice extra pump. And also because it's at the 50-cent level where the 200-day moving average is, it's going to be a very, very important point. Maybe for this week. I mean, there's still a few days left in this trading week, so that could be of great importance. Also, when we look at prior squeezes, we do see that after that cross we just had of the 20 over the 50-day moving average, this thing usually doubles from that point on. It doubled in January and it also doubled back in July 2022. So a doubling from here would definitely mean a price of over 50 cents at least. So really nice gains could be happening right here. In the comments of the last video, I did receive a question on how is the short interest looking and what about dilution. Now, first of all, short interest, looking at shorts, you can take a look at Fintel. It's a free website basically, and they have information on the short float. The percentage is currently 21%, days to cover. Also, interestingly, they do show the shares available to short, and as you can see, that kind of dropped from 1.6 million to 350,000. That's a good sign that shorts are having less shorts available to sell. And also, when you look at the cost to borrow, it has actually been going up a little, which is also a positive sign, meaning that it's more expensive for them to borrow shares to short. And here you can also see the short sale volume of the off exchange, and that is currently every day above 50 cents, 50%. So more short in than going long. Then the other question was about the dilution of the shares. Now, what I always look for in dilution is looking at, does the stock have much higher volume than before without really moving a lot? Well, as you can see, when you look at the daily, there was definitely something weird going on right here, where you saw a big increase in the volume in July 2022. Since then, we do see that the volume kind of moves up. However, not too much. We did see two big volume days, so it does look like there is some sort of dilution has happened over here, but nothing too major. For example, when you compare it to Mullen, that's I think the best example to check for dilution. You see that the volume literally increases every day, and the stock only moves down a couple of cents every day, 5 cents, 10 cents, and the volume just keeps on increasing. When you see this, clear example of dilution, and that's constantly happening at Mullen. For Faraday, I wouldn't be too worried about that yet. So please be careful, watch out for dilution. Um, if you see higher volumes without the stock moving too much anymore, then the float has definitely increased. So for now, it's still looking good. And as you can see, we keep on rising, we keep on breaking out, and it's looking very positive at the moment. However, let me know in the comments what you think about the stock. Is this the top? Can we still reach that 50 cents this week and maybe get a nice little gamma squeeze as well? Please let me know. Also, please let me know in the comments if you want to see other stocks discussed. And don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. And I hope to see you all in the next video.